Yeah, we got a eastbound local train coming into Battle Creek. It's 24 degrees here. Some classic old trains there. Looks like some new hoppers there. Yeah, looks like some shiny new, freaking new hoppers they got. Richardson. Yeah, looks like some new hoppers. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here. And if you did, can you go thumbs up on it? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it would bring people here to this channel so they could come and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hey, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified about it. But also hit that notification bell. And I want to welcome some new subscribers here to my channel. Welcome aboard to it. Hope you guys will enjoy this channel. Feel free to check out my other train videos if you're into trains. I would love that if you could do that for me. And today this was filmed on January the 18th 2024, and Thursday it was. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.